this demonstration, we will guide you through the simple process of removing multiple accounts on Facebook Mobile, ensuring efficient management and safeguarding your privacy and security. To commence, access the Facebook Mobile application on your iPhone or Android device. Subsequently, navigate to the menu section by selecting the three horizontal lines located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are in the menu section, locate and click on the small arrow icon adjacent to your Facebook name. This action will direct you to the Account Center. Within the Account Center, you will find a comprehensive overview of your Facebook and Instagram accounts. To remove a specific Facebook account, scroll down until you reach the Accounts section. Select this option to reveal a list of all accounts associated with your device. To remove a particular Facebook account, simply tap on the Remove button. This action will promptly remove the selected account from your device. By following these steps, you can effortlessly remove multiple Facebook accounts, streamlining your account management and enhancing your overall privacy and security.